Hi, I am Fatum Gunwardhan. We are going to continue again with Mass College with new lesson relevant to grade 10. Before we start our new lesson, I remember for you, subscribe our YouTube channel Mass College to learn more mathematics concept. Okay, we are going to start today arithmetic progression relevant to grade 10. Okay, look at the board. Considering 2, 7, 12, 17. What is this? This is a number pattern. We learned various number patterns, number sequence, our previous grades 6 to 9. Okay, today new with new name for number patterns, new name the projection. Okay, before explaining this, I have to remember for you new one. What is common difference? What is the common difference? Common difference here symbolized by using simple D. Any term other than first term, subtraction the preceding term. What mean? This number pattern has some special features. What is the special features? We can find by using this formula. What is this formula? Simple D here. When consider any two consecutive numbers, that both numbers, the first term subtraction from second term. When consider 2 and 7, what is the second term here? 7 is the second term, 2 is the first term. According to this formula, the preceding term is 2. Any term other than first term is 7. Here, simple formula for this, the second term, the first term. Second term, first term is 2, second term is 7, 7 subtraction 2 is 5. We consider any two consecutive numbers, two numbers, you can see 7 subtraction 2, 5, and also 12 subtraction 7, 5. 17 subtraction 12, 5. What is the special feature? When consider any two consecutive numbers, differences are same. Differences are same. Okay. Now we can go next one. Yes. Now you know what is the common difference. When consider any two consecutive numbers of the number patterns, first term with second term difference to call difference, common difference. Okay. Now you have some questions. Find the common difference of each following arithmetic projection. Here, the number patterns 8, 15, 22. We can find the common difference. How? The second term, when consider any two consecutive numbers, I consider 8 and 15. 15 is second term, 8 is first term, according to our considering numbers. Because the first term subtraction, second term is, what is the answer? 7. You can see, now we find another one also. 22 is the second term, 15 is first term. What is the answer? 7. Now you can see these both differences are same because we can call it like instance common difference here. Okay, the arithmetic projection. I am going to this bottom definition. What is the definition? The number sequence has common difference such as sequence called arithmetic projection. Okay, what is the number sequence has common difference? Like that number patterns to hold is special name. What is arithmetic projection? Okay, that means this number pattern should be arithmetic projection. Here, like here mentioned. Now, row number 2, you can find another one also. D is common difference. When consider these two consecutive numbers, 7.5 is second term, 5 is first term. 7.5 subtraction 5. What is the answer? 2.5. This is a common difference. Third one, when consider these two consecutive numbers, D equal 9, 2 fourth subtraction 9, 1 fourth. 2 fourth subtraction 1 fourth, what is the answer? 1 fourth. 9 subtraction 9 is 0. That means common difference is 1 fourth. Or what is another way how to read? 1 quarter. Okay. You can find common difference when considering any two consecutive numbers. That one keep your mind. Okay. Again, I remember for you what is the arithmetic projection. The number sequence has common difference. We call to like that number patterns arithmetic projection. Okay. Now, new topic. Nth term of an arithmetic projection. What it mean nth term? Nth term mean, my dears, any term of number pattern. The term, first term, second term, 10th term, 100th term, 141 term, like that. Any term. Okay, we can symbol first term T1. Why T? Term, the first letter of the term word, because we use the capital T to symbolize the term. First term T1, second term T2, and third term T3. And also we can symbol especially first term as a simple A. What is simple A? Like for the common difference, simple D. Okay. Now I am going to do some example how to identify, how to write the each term of this number sequence. 7, 10, 13, 16. Tell me, what is the first term? First term is 7. First term is here 7. And second term is 10. T3 means third term. Third term is 13. Then T4 means fourth term. Fourth term is 16. Okay, 16. And also I am doing here what is the common difference? Common difference we can find when consider any two consecutive numbers. Here we can consider T2 and T3. T3 subtraction T2. T3 is 13. T2 is 10. What is 13 subtraction 10 is 3. Okay. Now you know what are the symbol and how to identify nth term of the number sequence, that means of the arithmetic projection. Okay. Under the topic nth term of an arithmetic projection, so let's find the general term for the arithmetic projection. Here consider 7, 10, 13, 16 number sequence. Okay. we considering, my dear student, to find the general term, the first term and the common difference. First term and common difference. Now you know what are the symbol of for the first term. First term is simple A. For the common difference, simple D. Okay. Before find the general term, we have to find what is the common difference. Common difference when consider two consecutive numbers. Here considering 7 and 10. 10 is second term, 7 is first term. 10 subtraction 7 is 3. Okay. T1, I think you can remember your previous grade knowledge how to find the general term. Here, right, you can see T1, T2, T3. That means first term is 7. Then second term is 10. Third term is 13. I told you we have to consider first term and common difference to find the general term. Okay. Firstly, write the first term. First term is 7. Here 7. That means because should be here 0. Why 0? 3 multiplied 0 is 0. Remains 7. First term is 7. Okay. How to write here 0? We can write like this. 1 subtraction 1. Okay. Why I wrote here as a 1? 1 because first term. Okay. Then 7 addition. How many addition to 10? 3. How to 3? 2 subtraction 1. 2 subtraction 1. 1 multiply 3. 3 addition 7, 10. Okay. Then here 13. 7 addition. How many? 6. We have to add 6. How to make 6 here? 3 subtraction 1. 3 subtraction 1. 2. 2 multiply 3. 6. 6 addition 7, 13. You can see here special features. First term because 1. Second term because 2. Third term because 3. Okay. That means if Tn means general term. 1, 2, 3, n. That means here in bracket n. 1, 1, 1 not change because here 1. 7, 7, 7. What is this 7? 7 is first term. We can write here simple A. 3, 3, 3. What is 3? 3 is multiply D, common difference. I think you understood how to make the general term of any arithmetic projection. Okay. Therefore, we can obtain the formula for nth term of arithmetic projection like this. Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D. What is Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D. You have to keep your mind this formula to solving problems nth term of an arithmetic projection. I am going to explain to you how to solve these problems by using the formula, our learned formula. Here the problem to find the 10th term of the arithmetic projection. 10th term, that means nth term, any term, 10th term. Here considering number sequence, arithmetic projections is, you can see here 3, 7, 11, and 15. Okay, that means we have to use the general term, that means our formula, what is Tn A n minus 1 into D. Okay, what is Tn? I explained to you what is Tn. Tn is n term. N term. A is first term. N is number of terms. D is common difference. Okay, now I'm going to question. Before find the answers, we have to write data. What are the data? Firstly, write what is A. A is 3. Should we follow this method, my dear student? Firstly, write A is 3. Then find what is the common difference. When consider to any two consecutive numbers, I consider here 7 and 11. 11 is second term, 7 is first term. Answer is, that means common difference is 4. We have to find n is 10. We have to find T10. T10, that means we have to find 10th term. What is the mean? 10th term. Okay. Now this data we can substitute this formula. Again, this is a starting point to solving method. Okay. Not this. Start from this. Tn equal A addition n minus 1 into d. Tn is T10. A is 3. N is 10 subtraction 1. D is 4. 10 subtraction 1 is 9. 9 into 4. 3 addition 9 into 4, 36. Final answer is 39. Okay, you can use like this formula to solving problems of the arithmetic projection. Okay, we can solving more problems by using this formula and different each problem with our next video of the arithmetic projection. Okay, today our video lessons is over. I remember for you, continue with us Maths College and also subscribe our video channel of the Maths College. My dear student, goodbye.